Namaskar, good morning. Today we will look at the results in a nutshell of Yes Bank with reference to its Q4 results. Screener says sales have improved, that is net sales, after adding all incomes and subtracting all expenses. It has increased by 20% year on year. EBITDA has increased by 23% year on year. Net profit has increased by 127% year on year. EPS has increased 129% per year on year. So, year on year improvement looks very good. But what about absolute terms? Long way to go. So, now let us look at the highlights and other details. Yes Bank has reported a net profit of 451 crores in Q4, which is a 123% jump compared to 202 crores clocked in the same period last year. 451 crores is the latest net profit for Q4. It is 123% jump, and last year it was 202 crores in Q4. The gross non-performing assets stood at 1.7%, which is down from 2.2% recorded the same quarter last year, which means asset quality is improving. Likewise, net NPA for the quarter stands at 0.6%. It is down from 0.8% last year. So, gross NPA and net NPA have both improved very well year on year. But gross slippages for Q4 stands at 1,356 crores versus 1,233 crores in same quarter last year. So, slippages have increased slightly. Net interest income, that is interest earned minus interest expended. That net interest income has come at 2,153 crores, which is improved marginally by 2%. Compared to 2,105 crores corresponding quarter last year. Net advances have grown by 13.8% year on year and stood at 2.27 lakh crores. 2.27 lakh crores, 13.8% increase year on year. SME and mid-corporate advance have improved. Growth in corporate segment also has improved. Now, what about deposits? Total deposits stand at 2.6 lakh crores, up 22.5%. That is very good. CASA ratio 30.9% improved from 30.8% in Q4 of last year. The improvement should be a little more. Of course, it is improving. Net interest margin has dropped from 2.8% to 2.4%. So, this also needs to improve a lot. Currently, the price is around 26.4, something like that. 52-week high is 32.85. Volumes are of course good. Buying, selling is not a problem. Price momentum is reasonably good at this point of time. Trailing 12 months EPS growth is good. Net profit margins are rising both quarterly and trailing 12 months basis. Net profits and profit margins are improving quarter on quarter basis. Increasing revenue in the last 4 quarters. Book value is improving the last 2 years. FIA shareholding is improving. Interest payments are still high compared to the earnings. That is why net interest margins are not rising fast. Financials are therefore considered weak. Cash flow from operations are not that good. Some big deals are happening. People are recognizing that Yes Bank is improving reasonably well quarter after quarter. So, big deals are happening in the last month and last quarter also happened. NPA has come down. RSI indicates price strength. Price earning is very high. Provisions have increased in the recent results. Of course, price trend is bullish, price momentum is okay, face value of the share is 2 rupees, analyst rating is underperformed. Now, if you look at the shareholding pattern, mutual funds have improved their holdings slightly, 0.14% to 0.19%. FIIs have decreased their holdings from 23.79% to 22.01%. Mutual funds have increased, FIIs have decreased. Institutional investors have decreased their holdings from 65.99% to 63.74%. Price in the last 3 years has been very dismal. It's not growing very fast because the performance is not that good. Therefore, price also is not growing up fast, but future could be different. Yes Bank is improving very fast, there is no doubt whatsoever, but still it is at the low end. People are looking at Yes Bank nowadays, big deals are happening. Yes Bank has received an income tax refund order of about 284 crores relating to 2011-12 to 2013-14, long past. So, how much of this will go into the profit and loss account, we will have to wait and see. The bank, the board of directors have approved the allotment of some 128 crores fully paid up equity shares of rupees 2 each. And the likely people who may take it is CA Bosch and somebody else also is interested. So, they are eyeing for new promoters likely to bring in $8.9 billion valuation. So, Mitsubishi Group, Sumitomo, Mitsui Banking Corporation, etc. are interested. Somebody from Middle East also is stated to be interested. So, that is how the bank has fared in Q4. Q4 improvement is good, but not enough. Return of assets is still very, very low. NPAs are down, that is good. So, let us wait and see how Yes Bank, how quickly Yes Bank will come up to the level of the other banks or its own past. So, that we have to wait and see, but we need to keep an eye on Yes Bank.